Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you where to find cutest shoes and bags in Avatar World. So if you want to give your character a total glow up, the Avatar World is packed with hidden boutiques and secret shops. And in here, I'm going to take you on a tour of the bag and shoe shop in the game. So what you need to do is just go to this maps right here, and then you can just find this little shop, this one in here with the bags on top. Just click on the shop. So this is how the shop look like. So it's filled with lots of cute and luxurious bags and shoes. You can just get it for your avatars right here. You can see this cute purse, this cute shoes. So you can just give it to your avatars right here. For example, I'm going to add my character, this one. Let me put on these, let's say the shoes right here. As you guys can see, it's already fit with my outfit. You can also add, I'm going to add this cute bag, and that's it. So you can find cute bags and shoes inside the shop to make your avatar stand out. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.